My name's Sean. I'm a student at J-Tech, and today we're going to talk about using a on-car brake lathe. As you can see here, we have the cars backed up. Remove the tire. Next thing we're going to do is remove the caliper and get ready to resurface the rotor. So you can see we got the caliper off now, and we're going to go ahead and set up the brake lathe.
Video 1 using.
So I've got the brake lathe attached, set and ready to calibrate. Start. That's one calibrate, and then we can start our cutting. You see here we've got now calibrated set up and it's barely touching the rotor. I'm going to run it all the way in. Once it's run in, we're going to crank it down just a little bit. Pop it in to start. Now run out and cut the rotor. So you can see here it's a finished product. Nice, smooth, resurfaced rotor. Just got to put the caliper back on, move the hub, and put the tire back on. So today we learned how to properly use a on-car brake lathe in order to lathe our rotors so they give a much smoother ride. Thank you.